Thus, one navigates the vast world of e-commerce where digital stores attract customers from all corners of the globe to find the most profitable opportunities. With consumer behaviors and technology constantly evolving, which niches offer significant returns and long-term growth potential? These key questions are central to identifying e-commerce sectors that are not only profitable but also strategic for investment. Hi everyone, this is Karanjot and welcome back to our channel. Before diving deep into knowing the profitable e-commerce niches, let's start by understanding the e-commerce landscape. As the digital economy continues to expand, e-commerce emerges as a beacon of opportunity for people seeking high-growth ventures. Yet, amidst the vast array of possibilities, identifying the most profitable niches require a strategic approach and keen understanding of market dynamics. With consumer preferences evolving rapidly and technology reshaping the way we shop, the quest for profitable e-commerce niches become a dynamic journey filled with both challenges and opportunities. Now, prior to jumping into the topic, let's understand what makes a business truly profitable in the e-commerce landscape. Now, profitability in this context is not merely about the revenue generation, but also about sustainable growth, healthy profit margins, and long-term visibility. Is it just about selling popular stuff, or is there more to it? It's not just about following trends. It's about looking at things like how many people want a product, how much competition there is, and if there's room for the business to grow. Several key factors influence the profitability of an e-commerce niche, including number one is market demand. The level of demand for products or services within a niche plays a pivotal role in determining its profitability. High demand indicates a large and potentially lucrative customer base, while niche markets with low demand may struggle to sustain profitability. Number two is competition. The level of competition within a niche affects profit margins and market saturation. Highly competitive niches may require significant investments in marketing and differentiation strategies to stand out, while less competitive niches offer great opportunities for profitability. Number three is profit margins. The margin between the cost of goods sold and the selling price directly impacts profitability. Niches with high profit margins allow for greater profitability even with lower sales volume, while niches with slim margins require higher sale volumes to achieve profitability. Number four, consumer behavior. Understanding consumer behavior, preferences, and purchasing patterns is essential for identifying profitable e-commerce niches. Niches that align with consumer trends, lifestyle changes, and emerging preferences are more likely to experience sustained profitability. Now, let's take a closer look at some of the best online business ideas that could make you money. We'll break down what makes them special and why they might be worth putting your money in. By understanding these different areas, you can make smart choices about where to invest your money online. Number one is health and wellness products. The health and wellness industry has witnessed exponential growth in recent years, driven by increasing consumer awareness and a growing emphasis on self-care. With a projected global market value of $4 trillion by 2025, according to Grand View Research, this niche represents significant opportunities for profitability. Products like supplements, organic foods, fitness equipment, and personal care items are in high demand as consumers prioritize their health and well-being. Number two is sustainable and eco-friendly goods. Environmental consciousness is on the rise, fueling a growing demand for sustainable and eco-friendly products across various consumer categories. The global organic personal care market is expected to reach $25.1 billion by 2025, reports Allied Market Research, indicating long-term profitability potential in sustainable e-commerce niches. This trend encompasses eco-friendly apparel, reusable household items, organic cosmetics, and biodegradable packaging, aligning with consumer values. Number three, specialty foods and beverages. Gourmet and specialty food items have carved out a lucrative niche within the e-commerce landscape, with specialty food sales in the US reaching $170.4 billion in 2019 according to the Specialty Food Association. The appeal of artisanal chocolates, craft beverages, gourmet snacks and exotic spices lies in the uniqueness and high quality, attracting consumers willing to pay premium prices for exceptional culinary experiences. Number 4 is smart home technology. The adoption of smart home technology continues to rise within the global smart home market, projected to reach $135.3 billion by 2025, driven by increasing adoption of IoT devices according to markets and markets. From smart thermostats and security systems to connected kitchen appliances and entertainment devices, this expanding market offers significant investment potential. Staying abreast of technological advancements and addressing consumer concerns about privacy and security are crucial in this niche. Number 5 is pet products and accessories. The pet industry surpassed $100 billion in sales in 2020 in the US alone, reports the American Pet Products Association, highlighting the thriving market for pet-related goods. From premium pet food and grooming supplies to stylish accessories and pet healthcare products, investing in this niche requires understanding pet owners' preferences and catering to their desire for high-quality products and personalized experiences. Number 6 is subscription boxes. The subscription box model has grown by over 100% each year for the past 5 years, according to McKinsey & Company, making it a popular e-commerce trend. Curated subscription services offer convenience and personalized experience to subscribers across diverse interests, including beauty products, snacks, books, or niche hobbies. Successful investment in this niche requires a keen understanding of target audiences and effective curation. Number 7 is home office and remote work essentials. The global remote working market is expected to reach $406.5 billion by 2027, according to Fortune Business Insights, as the shift towards remote work accelerates. This has driven demand for home office furniture, ergonomic accessories, and productivity tools. Investing in this niche involves identifying emerging trends in remote work and providing innovative solutions to meet the needs of remote workers. Number 8. Personalized and customized products. In an age of personalization, the global market for personalized gifts is projected to reach $51.6 billion in 2024, according to Technavio. Consumers crave products that reflect their individuality and preferences, including personalized gifts, custom apparel, engraved accessories, and bespoke home decor items. Now, successful investment in personalized e-commerce niches require offering customizable options and delivering unique experiences to customers. Beyond these traditional avenues, there are some emerging sectors that hold untapped opportunities for budding entrepreneurs and investors. So, let's explore some innovative and potentially lucrative e-commerce niches worth considering. First comes digital collectibles and NFTs. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, have emerged as a disruptive force in the world of digital art, collectibles, and gaming. These unique digital assets, authentication on the blockchain, have unlocked new opportunities for creators and collectors alike. E-commerce platforms that specialize in selling digital art, limited edition collectibles, and in-game assets as NFTs can tap into growing market of digital enthusiasts and collectors. Next to it is virtual events and experiences. With the rise of virtual gatherings and online communities, there's a growing demand for virtual events and experiences. From virtual concerts and live stream performances to virtual reality gaming events and online workshops, consumers are seeking immersive experiences from the comfort of their homes. Entrepreneurs can capitalize on this trend by creating platforms that facilitate virtual interactions and offer unique and engaging experiences. Last but not the least is health tech and telemedicine. The COVID-19 pandemic has accelerated the adoption of telemedicine and digital health solutions, paving the way for innovation in the health tech sector. E-commerce ventures that offer telehealth services, remote monitoring devices, and digital wellness platforms can address the growing demand for accessible and convenient healthcare solutions. By leveraging technology to improve healthcare delivery and patient outcomes, entrepreneurs can make a meaningful impact while generating revenue. As we conclude our exploration of the most profitable e-commerce niches, it's clear that the digital marketplace offers a wealth of opportunities for savvy investors and entrepreneurs. By understanding the factors that drive profitability, identifying the emerging trends, and aligning with consumer preferences, you can navigate the e-commerce frontier with confidence. Whether it's tapping into the growing demand for health and wellness products, embracing sustainability, or catering to niche interests, the key to success lies in adaptability, innovation, and a relentless focus on delivering value to customers. As the e-commerce landscape continues to evolve, those who dare to venture into uncharted territories stand poised to reap the rewards of their investments and shape the future of commerce. Hope you've enjoyed the insights. Drop a like, share your thoughts, and hit subscribe for more expert tips. Thanks for tuning in.